Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami di sini di mata kuliah Akuntansi Manajemen akan membawakan Cost of Quality dari grup 6 yang beranggotakan Fanyatri Maulidia Arifin, Isabella Setiani, Nida Nurwahida El Hakim dengan dosen pengampu Pak Bambang Tutuko. Next.
Is about definition. The definition from cost of quality is cost that occur or may occur due to poor quality. Cost of quality refers to costs associated with the correction, identification, repair, and prevention of defect.
Next, there is dimension of certification. Quality product or service meet or exceed customer expectation in 8 dimension. First is performance or kinerja. Second, aesthetic or estetika. Third, second, serviceability or kemudahan perawatan dan perbaikan. Fourth, feature or fitur. Serviceability. Reliability or keandalan. 6, durability or tahan lama. Reliability or 7, there is quality of conformance, yaitu kualitas kesesuaian. And last, fitness for use atau kecocokan penggunaan.
Next, we're gonna say about classification from quality cost. So the first is prevention cost. The definition from prevention cost is cost incurred to prevent defective or poor quality products from occurring. The example is quality planning costs and employee training costs for quality control. The characteristic is first, investment at the beginning of the process. Second, prevents defect before they occur. And the last, most cost efficient in the long run. And the second classification is next we're gonna say about classification from quality cost. So the first is prevention cost, the appraisal cost, and the definition is cost incurred to measure, evaluate, or audit products or services to ensure compliance with quality standard. Example like raw material inspection costs and product testing costs. The characteristic is first, the detection of defect before products reach customer, and monitoring and evaluation costs, and the less investment to catch errors. Compliance with quality standard. Example like raw material inspection. And next, and third classification is internal failures cost. The definition is cost arising from defective products or products. And third classification is not meeting quality standard detect before product reach customer. The example is scrap cost and rework cost. The characteristic is occur within the factory or company and has not reached customer yet and can still be controlled internally. And the last classification is external failure cost. The definition is cost arising from defective product or product not meeting quality standard detect after product reach customer. The example is like product recall cost and product replacement cost. The characteristic is most expensive and dangerous or damage company image, or maybe difficult to measure and long-term impact.
Benefits of quality cost. The first helps managers see the financial impact of defect. Second, helps managers identify the importance of quality problems facing the company. And the last, helps managers see whether the quality costs in their company are being distributed properly. First, helps managers see the financial impact of defect. Second, next, quality cost measurement method. The first, multiplier method. Definition is assuming that the total cost of failure is the product of the measure multiple costs. Second, market research method, used to examine the impact of poor quality on sales and market share. Next, quality cost measurement method, the first multiplier method. And the last, Taguchi quality loss function. Loss zero defect definition assumes that hidden quality costs occur only on units that deviate from specification limits. Next, definition assumes that hidden.
We're gonna to example cost of quality. In early 2008, Care Company launched a quality improvement program that include various efforts to reduce the number of defective units produced. At the end of the year, the production manager, we're gonna to example cost of quality. In early report revealed a decrease in raw material waste and rework. The company's CEO was pleased to hear about the decrease in rework as evidence of real improvement. In assessing the improvement experienced by the company, the financial data for the current year and the assessing the previous year are as follow. Nah, di sini ada keterangan untuk penjualan pada 2007 itu ada sebesar 10 juta dolar, dan 2008 juga ternyata sama 10 juta dolar. Lalu ada sisa bahan baku itu pada 2007 senilai 400 dolar, dan 2008 ini mengalami penurunan menjadi 300 ribu dolar. Lalu ada pengerjaan ulang pada 2007 itu senilai 600 ribu dolar, dan pada 2008 itu mengalami penurunan sebesar 400 ribu dolar. Lalu ada pemeriksaan produk sebesar 100 ribu dolar pada 2007, dan mengalami peningkatan di 2008 itu 125 ribu dolar. Lalu ada garansi produk sebesar 800 ribu dolar pada 2007, dan mengalami penurunan pada 2008 itu menjadi 600 ribu dolar. Lalu ada pelatihan kualitas senilai 40 ribu dolar pada 2007, mengalami peningkatan pada 2008 itu sebesar menjadi 80 ribu. Dan terakhir ada pemeriksaan bahan baku senilai 60 ribu dolar pada 2007, dan mengalami penurunan di 2008 itu menjadi 40 ribu dolar. Nah, di sini ada instruksi yang A itu klasifikasikan biaya-biaya di atas sebagai biaya pencegahan, biaya penilaian, biaya kegagalan internal, atau biaya kegagalan eksternal. Lalu yang kedua itu, hitunglah berapa besarnya biaya kualitas sebagai persentase dari penjualan untuk setiap tahunnya, berapa banyak pertambahan laba yang disebabkan oleh peningkatan kualitas, dengan asumsi biaya-biaya kualitas dapat ditekan menjadi sebesar 2,5% dari penjualan. Hitunglah pula banyaknya tambahan laba yang dihasilkan melalui perbaikan kualitas. Anggaplah besarnya pendapatan dari penjualan tetap sama. Dan yang terakhir itu, susunlah laporan biaya kualitas untuk tahun 2008. Next, first resolution. First is quality cost category. There is appraisal cost. There are product infection and raw material infection cost. Second, prevention cost. There is quality training cost, internal failure cost, and raw material waste and reward cost. And the third, external failure cost. There is quality training product warranty cost. So next. Second is in 2007, the total quality costs were $2 billion, which was 20% of sales. There are $2 billion share in $10 billion. In 2008, the total quality cost was $1,545,000, which was, so next. Second is in 2007, the total quality cost 50 and 45% of sales. 50 and from 1,545,000,000 share $10 billion. Thus, profit increased by $455 if quality costs were to fall to 2 and 5 to discount of sales. It will be possible to generate an additional profit of $1,295,000,000. This from 150 and 45 billion dollar to 100 and $250. Lalu di sini kita masuk ke laporan biaya kualitas pada Rare Company. Itu ada biaya pencegahan. Biaya pencegahan ini terdiri dari pelatihan kualitas senilai 80 ribu dolar, dan masuk ke biaya kualitas itu 80 ribu dolar. Nah, untuk presentasi dari penjualannya itu 0,80%. Lalu ada biaya penilaian, yaitu yang pertama pemeriksaan produk senilai 125 ribu dolar, dan ada pemeriksaan bahan baku itu senilai 40 ribu. Nah, pemeriksaan produk ditambah pemeriksaan bahan baku itu jadinya 165 ribu ditaruh di biaya kualitas, dan untuk persentase dari penjualannya itu 1,65%. Lalu ada biaya kegagalan internal, yaitu yang pertama ada sisa bahan baku senilai 300 ribu dolar, dan pengerjaan ulang seharga 400 ribu ditambah menjadi ribu. Nah, pemeriksaan produk ditambah pemeriksaan bahan baku itu jadinya 165 ribu, nilainya 700, dan ditaruh di biaya kualitas. Untuk persentase dari penjualannya itu ada 7,00%. Dan ada biaya kegagalan eksternal, yaitu garansi produk senilai 600 ribu dolar. Pada biaya kualitas pula ditaruh 600 ribu dolar. Dan untuk persentase dari penjualannya itu 6,00%. Lalu biaya kualitas ditambahin semua, hasilnya 1.545.000 dolar. Dan untuk presentase dari eksternal, yaitu garansi produk senilai 600 ribu dolar, pada penjualannya itu 11,45%. Oke, mungkin itu saja dari kelompok kami. Mungkin itu mohon maaf bila ada banyak kesalahan. Sekian dari kelompok kami. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.